am super excited about this update, and I think the best update so far if you are using Power BI to do some web scraping or API integration, and that is this Html.Table. Consider this scenario that you need to extract this regular price and special price. In that case, it is super hard. Don't have this Html.Table, which was not previously available. And look at this, using just Html.Table, I can get those two information using CSS selector. Or consider this scenario that you need to scrap all the laptop hyperlink for this one. If you look at this section, the hyperlink to do the comparison in Excel, so that you don't need to click in each of these, and you want to get the hyperlink, and that's even easily possible using this is the CSS selector and give me those URL, and it's super easy. It's one line of code, and this is so much powerful. Thank you.